We will meet again in Hot Dog 2.
Fucking wanker. You fucking idiot. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, dickhead? Fuck me! I'll get you, bitch! Wait, what the hell? Dude! You friggin' idiot! Move your ass! 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 Move your ass!
Support Australians through symptoms of these cost of living pressures.
Investigation into the escape of five lions from the enclosure at Sydney's Taronga Zoo is centred around
unbelievable.
along the fence line. The animals and 4 cubs were found outside their enclosure.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Fat bearded bitch!
Great deal of that in the foundation, but quite a smart
That looks
cooking
very,
strategy on
very
the
red, that
raft.
arrow. Must be insulated.
But anyway, then have to organise. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Watch me out there.
Naughty. Straight through.
Yeah, you wanker. You're a fuckwit. You're about to have a really bad day, buddy.
Damn right!
Jesus.
Run that red light, you fucking idiot. And the police do nothing. Fucking ridiculous.
There goes the fender.
Fuck's sake.
I've got a big truck.
That is one big pile of shit.
is vying for a return to the top job. His main competitor is the acting PM, Yan, but polling suggests neither politician will secure enough outright votes to claim immediate victory, meaning major parties will likely have to negotiate to form an
That's for Scotty's. Look, he's going to do a left when he gets up that one's butt as well.
There's a major problem for the Murray River, with major flooding
Pushing, trying.
And the Bureau says major flooding
Is there a gap? No, he's got blocked off by that little Toyota. The little Toyota on the left.
Statewide widespread showers with local small hail possible.
Still pushing.
In most areas except the far northwest. Showers
See the brakes? There he goes. You got it, mate. Well done.
That's right. Now, say my name.
There's another one for Scotty's.
Denied. And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Were those who filmed the events, those we never see. Students of the British Army Film School and all volunteers entrusted with capturing the preparations for posterity.
Like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? It's drive on the road, mate. Fuck. No, well, you're not driving on the road.
Where the fuck you think you're fucking going? You're in that lane, weren't you, dickhead?
You weren't driving on the road. I was just driving on the road, mate. Oh.
On May the 27th, his fellow soldiers were introduced to a new current.
Real fucking funny, isn't it?
No, well, I was
What's
just.
the problem?
You weren't driving on the road. That was the problem.
Fuckwits.
What do you mean, me fuckwits?
Do you speak any English?
What a fucking jerk off.
Good morning and welcome to AM. I'm Sabra Lane coming to you from Nipaluna, Hobart. On 52 bombers to Northern Australia.
It's very hard to think of a more open commitment that we're going along with American planning for a war with China. China is a force.
National Education reporter Gabriella Marchant has more.
Mum, Joanne O'Mara, remembers overhearing her son Alistair in his high school lessons via Zoom during the months of Melbourne's multiple lockdowns. I could actually hear it was Kerry in the classroom all the time. And
how dare you?
I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug to kill River Phoenix. I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug to kill River Phoenix. I saw his body thrashing round, I saw his pulse rate going down, I saw him in convulsive throes. I said, I'll have one of those. Hillary had it in his veins. Hillary had it in his veins. Hillary had Everest in his veins. I'm soaked in moon was not the same. Heroes explore to give us hope. River pushed back the envelope. Drank the slab, drank the slab, drank the slab. The bombs got drunk. Drank the slab, drank the slab, drank the slab. The bombs got drunk. I drank the slab that bombs got drunk. I injected some of